Welcome to the Stoic Mindset. Here, we blend the wisdom of Stoic philosophers with humor and adventure. Our channel offers a unique take on Stoicism through entertaining videos and explorations of historical places. Discover how the teachings of Seneca, Marcus Aurelius, and Epictetus can inspire you while making you smile. We share funny anecdotes and relatable stories that make Stoic lessons accessible and enjoyable. Each week, join us as we delve into historical sites tied to Stoic philosophy. Learn how ancient wisdom can guide you through modern challenges while enjoying a good laugh. Subscribe now for motivational content, engaging narratives, and enlightening discussions. Embrace the power of a Stoic mindset, infused with humor and history. Let's explore, laugh, and grow together on this journey toward resilience and inner peace. Host, welcome back to the Stoic Mindset. If you're ready to transform your mornings and set a productive tone for your day, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 12 powerful morning habits inspired by Stoic philosophy that can enhance your mindset and boost your productivity. Let's get started. Before we jump into the routine, let's quickly explore why Stoicism is so impactful. Founded in ancient Greece, Stoicism teaches us to focus on what we can control, embrace challenges, and cultivate inner peace. Starting your day with Stoic principles can empower you to tackle whatever life throws your way. 1. Wake up early. First, rise with the sun. Waking up early gives you the quiet you need to prepare for the day ahead. It's a great time for reflection and setting intentions. 2. Practice gratitude. Next, practice gratitude. Take a moment to think of 3 things you're thankful for. This simple exercise shifts your mindset towards positivity and abundance. Third, spend a few minutes meditating or reflecting. Consider journaling your thoughts or doing a quick breathwork session. This helps clarify your goals and settle your mind. 4th, set your intentions for the day. What do you want to accomplish? Write it down and hold yourself accountable.
Read a Stoic quote. 5th, read a quote from a Stoic philosopher. Let their words inspire your actions. Here's one from Marcus Aurelius. You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength.
6th, visualize the challenges you may face today. Anticipate obstacles and mentally prepare to confront them calmly. 7th, exercise. Host. 7th, get moving. Whether it's stretching, yoga, or a full workout, physical activity energizes you and sharpens your focus. 8th, eat a healthy breakfast. 8th, nourish your body with a healthy breakfast. Remember, a well-fed mind is a powerful tool. 9. Limit distractions. Put your phone on Do Not Disturb and focus on your morning routine without unnecessary interruptions. 10. Practice acceptance. Embrace the day as it comes. Remind yourself that you can only control your actions, not external outcomes. 11th, reflect on mortality, memento mori, to appreciate life and seize every moment. This perspective will inspire you to live fully today. 12. Connect with nature. Finally, connect with nature. A walk outside, even for a few minutes, can ground you and remind you of life's simple beauty.
Finally, and there you have it, 12 powerful morning habits inspired by Stoic philosophy. Integrating these practices into your routine can transform your mindset and enhance your day. Which one are you excited to try first? Share in the comments below. Pause for viewer engagement. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on living a Stoic life. Remember to set your intentions daily and embrace the morning with gratitude. Until next time, stay mindful.